Hello, my name is Kylie. In this mini-series of videos, I'm going to show you how to use the Corpus of Contemporary American English, which was created by Mark Davies. The corpus has a web interface with an integrated concordancer. The website can be used for free. Before we begin using the corpus, there are a few things you need to know. First, what is a corpus? A corpus is a collection of texts that linguists analyze. Corpora is the Latin plural of corpus. There are many different types of corpora that are available online for purchase or free for use. These corpora contain millions of text files that allow you to conduct searches using different language features. Why are corpora useful for ESL teachers? One reason is you can show students common language structures through real-world texts. Another reason you can use a corpus is to generate a list of vocabulary words from a text of your choice. Oftentimes when you are teaching a class, the book does not provide everything you need. If you use a corpus, you can design your own vocabulary lists. Also, with a corpus, you can search for words that frequently occur together, otherwise known as collocates. These can be very difficult for students because they often require the native speaker intuition. There are also many combinations of collocates. In video 3, I will show you how to search for collocates and also how you can use those searches to make materials for your class. You can also compare language across spoken and written texts, or show the differences between structure and grammar. There are many different types of materials you can make from the resources provided to you from a corpus. One of the more useful corpora that I recommend using is the Corpus of Contemporary American English, or COCA. There are other corpora available online, but I think COCA is the best because 1, it is free and fully accessible online. 2, if you are a teacher of American English, COCA contains American English language, whereas in other corpora they contain global English examples. 3, COCA currently contains over 520 million texts, and there are new words added each year. Other corpora may not have as many words, and they may not be as up to date. Number 4, there are many different genres to choose from, which are equally divided among spoken, fiction, magazine, newspaper, and academic texts. Other corpora may only include spoken texts or may only include newspaper texts. In COCA, you have all these different genres to choose from in one place. There are also subgenres among these texts, such as health, finance, children, life, sports, and many others that are meant to narrow down your searches. There are many different possibilities in COCA. You can compare language across spoken and written texts, you can search for collocates, generate vocabulary lists, and so much more. Before we get started on our searches, you need to learn how to create a login. Let me show you how to do that. The first thing you want to do is open up a web page and go to the website corpus.byu.edu/COCA/. Now we are on the website for the Corpus of Contemporary American English. The first thing you will do is go to this icon here to create a login. On this page, you need to go down here to register and click on it. On this page, you will need to fill out the form. The first thing you will do is put in your name. Then you will put in your email and then put in a password. Down here, you will need to identify whether you are a researcher, a semi-researcher, or a graduate student, a student, or some other reason that you wish to use the corpus. Then you will come down here and click on Submit. You will need to go back to the email that you used here, log into that email address, and verify the corpus website. Once you have verified that email, go back to the original website, corpus.byu.edu/coca/. Then again, you will have to go to this icon here and type in the email and password that you used. You will need to log in every time you use COCA. That wraps up our introductory video for today. In the next 4 videos of this series, I'll be showing you step by step how to conduct important searches in COCA. Hopefully with these videos, they'll provide enough practice for you to confidently conduct your own searches to make your own ESL materials. If you want, you can use COCA while you are watching the videos. If you do that, make sure you are logged in and you can follow along through each of the videos. If you do decide to follow along, make sure you go here to search, click on it, and that will take you to this home page. For each video in this series, I'll be starting on this page. Be sure to click on video 2 to start learning how to do searches in COCA. In video 2, I'm going to show you how to do a quick search and also use the chart function.